Horizontal directional drilling is done in all weather conditions. When freezing weather is expected, it's important to know how to antifreeze your onboard fluid system, also known as the mud pump. Residual fluid left in the system can freeze and crack components. In this video, I will show you the steps necessary to antifreeze your drill. Please refer to your operator's manual for more information. The first step in the antifreeze process is to flush the mud pump with clean water to remove any remaining drilling fluids. Before removing the supply hose from the mud pump, use the dump valve to release the fluid pressure in the system. Then, close the dump valve and cap the mud pump inlet. Check the onboard antifreeze tank for the adequate amount of Navigator freeze guard. Now, open the antifreeze supply valve to allow the fluid into the mud pump. The next step is done at the operator's station with the drill running at a low idle. Check that the front vise is open and the drilling fluid system is turned on. Next, press the drilling fluid flow set point key and set to a low flow rate. Setting the flow rate too high or pressing the full flow button can cause cavitation, which can cause damage to the pump. Run the mud pump until you see a steady stream of antifreeze coming from the subsaver, and then shut the pump off. If the wash wand was used to clean the drill, it will need to be antifreezed as well. Connect it to the drilling pump quick coupler. Spray the fluid into the tank until you see a steady stream of antifreeze coming from the wand. Before disconnecting the wash wand, properly shut down the machine and relieve the pressure from the wand. Lastly, be sure to close the antifreeze supply valve. Use these steps the next time you are working in freezing temperatures. Thanks for watching.